Welcome to my channel where reading is fun.
Counting to Christmas by Nancy Tafuri. I'm counting to Christmas. Days 1, 2, and 3, I paint, cut, and paste. Days 4 and 5, I write, stamp, and send. Days 6, 7, and 8, I pour, measure, and mix. Days 9, 10, and 11, I shape, bake, and decorate. Days 12 and 13, I wrap and tie. Days 14 and 15, I pop and string. Days 16, 17, and 18, I sing and play. Days 19 and 20, I cut, spread, and sprinkle. Days 21, 22, and 23, I trim and gaze. Day 24, I share and give and wait. Day 25, Merry Christmas. Do, 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 do. With love and joy to all. The end.
Thank you for watching. Please check out my other videos on my YouTube channel at Miss Sherri Gulley. Follow, like, subscribe, and share. The goal is to have a video out for you guys every single day to help you with your bedtime stories or your stories throughout the day.